Hello, the next step in working through this machine is being able to take the tray out. Very rarely do you have to do this. However, this video may be helpful when it's time to actually do it. Two things that we're going to cover on the very beginning. One is we're going to deal with the electrical, right? We're going to take a wiring harness off so the tray can be removed from the machine. So we need to power down the machine. Once the power's off, we're going to be able to reach at the back right of the tray, and you will feel a 1 inch by 1 inch white wiring harness. There's a release on the top and the bottom. I want to pinch in on both of them, wiggle up and down until the harness comes out. And now that I have the harness out, you will see the harness has been released from the machine. Next step, our protective release. I'm going to flip it all the way over, get it out of the way so that we can now take the tray completely out. First step, lift up, get the first wheel over the hump. Pull the machine out until you hit the stop. Now the second wheel is at the stop. In order to get the second wheel over the hump, lift up at 45 degrees. I now have control of the shelf, and to get the very third wheel over the hump, I'm just going to lift up, pull the tray out, set it down. You see the two wheels here as well that I'm talking through in the video. In order to move the tray back in, set the wiring harness on top of the shelf. Reach to the side. I'm going to put the first wheel in on each side. I'm going to put it on the bracket. Put the first wheel in. Lift up. Rotate the second wheel in. Push the whole tray back in. And now it's time to replace the wiring harness into the back right of the machine.